So here we have this data model set up. We have the trading data, we have the financial data, and we have the insider trading data. Most of the time for financial analysis, we also want to construct kind of financial ratios. For example, earnings per share. Okay, that ratio is not directly reported by the income statements. You have to calculate it. All right, you have used the so under the quarterly income statement, you can see there's a net income after taxes. You need to use this data field, divide it by the common stock shares outstanding to get the earnings per share ratio. Okay, the common stock shares outstanding, well, is actually in the balance sheet. So under this quarterly balance table, you can see there's a common stock shares outstanding. So we basically need to utilize both data fields. Okay, make a division and calculate the earnings per share. So we need to construct a new column here, all right, which contains this earnings per share information. To do that, we introduce a thing called a calculated column, because currently we don't have a column called EPS, all right. We just need to calculate it using existing columns in the two tables, all right. So that's what we call a calculated column, which is based on existing columns in the data tables. To do that, okay, click on this quarter income table. All right, I'm going to construct this EPS new column called EPS under this data table. All right, so I'm going to click on this data table and I'm going to click on new column. All right, so here you see this new column shows up in this data table, and also this kind of coding box is for you to type in the DAX code that defines this calculated column. So I already have the code ready, so I'll just paste it here. All right. So the DAX code basically says I'm defining a column called EPS, and this column EPS is going to equal to this data field, which is the net income after taxes data field located in the quarterly income data table. All right, so you see this kind of way of writing or referencing a particular data field in a data table. Okay, so the data table's name is going to be here, the quarterly income, that's data table, followed by a pair of brackets, and in the brackets you put in the name of the data field. All right, so this is the way to reference that net income after taxes data field in the quarterly income data table. All right, you divide this number by I will explain what is this related function in a minute. All right, so you're dividing this net income after taxes by common stock shares outstanding, and that data field is located in quarterly balance, that data set. Okay, so this entire reference includes the name of the table, and within that table the name of the data field or the name of the column. All right, so you're basically dividing net income after taxes by the common stock shares outstanding. All right, that's the definition of this EPS.